guys? Skull 1276 here. In a raid right now, and I'm ready for battle. Village and pillage, village and pillage, village and pillage. I'm ready. Ready for Freddy. Alright. Where are they? I'm gonna ring the bell. Ring the bell. Yet. Hope none of the villagers come out during the raid. Hope none of them are stupid enough to come out. Anyways, guys, about this coronavirus, huh? How you guys doing? Are you still alive? Are you still in? Oh, boom. Take that, freaking nasty, weird, golem-looking, nasty slug fly. Alright, that was a close one. Anyways, coronavirus, yeah. I am rotting in my house. I want to go out. I want to play out in the sunshine. I'm just kidding. I can do that. I just can't hang out with, like, people. Oh. Oop. Stupid villager. Stupid. You must die. If you're so stupid, you cannot live on this earth anymore. But yeah, Corona sucks. I don't want it. Thanks. And I hope that this virus ends soon, so I can play. Ooh, get out of here, nasty wizard. Nasty wizard, take that, you nasty fly. Alright, anyways. Guys, I don't like this. Creepy cockroaches, take that. Pew. Got him. Alright. Ooh. I think this is the last raid because this has been going on for like a long time. I think I've been going through like 4 raids so far. I think this might be the last one. The other one I had like 4 witches coming at me and one of those giant, whatever you call it, rhinos. I'm gonna call it a rhino. Oh. There's one over here somewhere. I don't know where. So how about this Zoom classes, guys? Do you like it? I like it. I like how short it is. I like how the short classes are. I love the long lunch. I like to munch on my lunch, you know? There's that. I also like that all you have to do is just be on a screen so the teacher can see you, and all you have to do is work. That's all you have to do. Pretty easy peasy. Anyways, if you're wondering why I'm playing Pocket Edition like a noob, it's because I used to play on my laptop, but all of a sudden it keeps like lagging every there's another one of those rhino things. Gotta kill it. Kill it. Okay. I think these things have like long lives too, but they do drop some good loot. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. I really need a saddle right now, so got a saddle. All right. Good. Good. I've been fishing a lot for saddles, and I haven't been getting any, so now I do. So, back to what I was saying. The reason why I'm playing Pocket Edition is because my laptop keeps lagging my laptop keeps lagging like every pixel on Minecraft, and I don't like that. So on Pocket Edition, I downloaded it the other day, and it seems to be running pretty smooth, and I really like that. So Die. Finally. See if we can beat this raid. Only 2 remaining, guys. I'm really bored. Really bored. This coronavirus is rotting me to my core. And it hasn't even been like a month yet for the quarantine. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Yup. Oh, I see him. Let's go. Go. Let's kill this guy. Let's kill this rat. I smell a rat. Yes, I do. Let me use my new weapon. Alright. Got him. Mine this. Get my gold. My goodies. Alright, one remaining. Where could he be? Where is this Easter egg hiding? Oh, don't need that. Don't need that. Guys, I want you to comment down below what is the funniest thing that happened to you so far in your Zoom classes. And whoever's comment I laugh at and I like it, I am going to heart your comment. So yeah, you better enjoy that. You better enjoy that moment when you see you got a notification and you see that heart. You better know the love I have given you to spend some time to read your comment. But I'm just kidding. If you comment down what your funniest thing that happened in your Zoom class, I'm going to like it and I'm going to funny laugh at it. Where is this guy? Where's this golem rat? Where is he? Ooh. I hear the horn. Oh, I see you. Your death has come upon you. It is your time. Your hourglass has run out of sands. Skadoosh. Ooh. What is that? What are they doing? What are they... Is that what I think they're doing? Oh. Ouch. Meanie. Guys, we did it. We did it. I am the hero of the village. Praise me. Praise me like a god. I am the hero. I've saved your little long-nosed, Squidward-looking asses. Praise me. Yeah. You guys just run in your houses, don't know what to do. You get slaughtered to death. And I have to come over here and save you guys. You are welcome. And you better give me something, dude. If you don't give me something, I'm going to rage. What? What? This is bogus. Extreme bogus. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed, and we did it. We defeated the raid, and bye.